So yeah, coders out there, TypeScript lovers. So if you watch my last video, you have seen when I was panting like life was hard. Well, I've gotten the solution to that problem. I got it the next day. I would have made this video earlier. Just that yeah, network now we get network issues. So after solving my network issues and successfully making my stuff work better, then there you have it. And I'm not making this video now. So in the previous video I was having problems configuring this thing. Basically, like after setting up my middlewares, now make it turn it into Postman, like giving my request in Postman. So it was now having the issues. I think that was in my when I was making get request. I think that should be my post request. When I was trying to make a post request, it was having issues. So I configured this thing. The problem was coming from this the configuration in my Postman. So for some reasons, these the ones that were auto generated, because there are some configurations already made to Postman before you started working. So before anybody I thought should start working with that Postman, there are already some auto configuration made to Postman. So for some reasons, I don't know whether I unchecked it or whether someone touched my system and unchecked this one. So this particular one was what was giving my code issues. So after using my trusty AI to correct the code, and then I came here, made this in raw data, then send it to JSON. So it's being in JSON. You can also do it in order, like make it a informed data, just that obviously you have to make it changes from text to I think a JSON file or something like that. So but I don't used to use it. So I use this one now. I know how to use it, but I prefer this one now to inform data. Obviously you can still, it doesn't mean that when you are trying to make it, that is, you are trying to send it to your HTML file or your main application, and you can't do it with the you can't send it to a form. So you can actually do that. I'm just giving like example of how my own worked. That is why the Postman was giving the kind of phone issues it was giving. So if you notice also from last video it wasn't looking this way, that's because I've no panic. Like I set them to correct to the like the way a normal Express.js file is supposed to be arranged. So you have your source folder normally, then controllers, the data. This data now is I'm not linking my stuff here to MongoDB like a database. So I'm just creating raw data. Then I set them all of them in data. Then the interfaces, the middleware, then my routes, my types. These types is like for this for all the any types that I want to make global like this. Here I'm making requests. So this user, and I used it in when resolving the users. So if you notice, I called them quite many times. So I wanted this thing, like if I want to create the types, I made the types to be equal to that, and so that when the user makes a request, it sends it to that place. That is to take it as a type. This type stuff is confusing. So there you have it. Give me joy for completing this thing now, but I'm not yet done fully. I want to also add authentication, validation. Then after everything, I'll now link it to my full application. So code with me. I'm coding in Flow. That's just the code so you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, X. It's quite funny that this is no more Twitter. You can follow me on X. So we learn together, we grow, career development. Okay, peace out. Next time, subscribe and like my video. This thing no dey easy. The post no easy.